Good, great morning, guys. Saturday morning. Hope you're having a great week so far. Crypto is experiencing a pullback, but in today's video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, which you see behind me. We're also going to talk about Jasmy and what's happening right now. I haven't made a video in a couple days on crypto, so I wanted to make this video today. Excuse the kids if you hear them in the background. It's Saturday morning. Shout out to all the parents out there. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to my channel. I make crypto content for you every single day, and I give you the facts of what's actually happening. So in today's video, again, we're going to go over Bitcoin. We're going to go over Jasmy. And the third thing we're going to go over is Dogecoin and the next buy levels for Dogecoin based off Fibonacci. So appreciate you all for being here. Let's get right into it. The main thing you need to know right now for Bitcoin is the MACD cross right here on a weekly time frame. I want you to look at the white arrows, and this is literally updated as of I just took this picture just now. The white arrows you could see before when we had a MACD cross, we had a red week. It was over there. You see it. I know you see it. And then what happened? The next month and a half, Bitcoin rallied and made new all-time highs. What do you feel is about to happen right now? And just so you know why Bitcoin is important, because if Bitcoin moves up, your altcoins move up, including Dogecoin, which follows Bitcoin to a T. And that's why I've been buying heavy into Dogecoin right now because I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. But I think the rate of return is going to be greater for Dogecoin over Bitcoin. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all my own opinion, but this is the first thing I wanted to break down for you guys. Let's talk about Jasmy. One thing that's absolutely amazing is a member made over $26,000 using my strategies. You could still see he said I've made over 26,000 this year thanks to BD teaching me chart reading. Pretty amazing, right? So I think the best way for people to learn is if we meet one-on-one over Zoom. So make sure if you're interested, check out the links out down below. This member literally posted this yesterday. He said, you should look into BD video about TA, which I have posted. It's in the shop. Link is down below. Very helpful. I made $100,000 in profit in the last 7 days. 100K in a week. Pretty amazing. So awesome. Congrats to this person. Truly appreciate you for posting this in the Discord, and I'm glad things are working for you. Now let's get into Jasmine. This is the one I know most of you are interested in. So again, we have a MACD that is literally curling as we speak on the weekly time frame. It just crossed, and tomorrow is Sunday. The weekly candle closes. So right now it's a red candle. But at the end of the day, guys, I don't really care too much about that. I care more about the indicators. And what the indicators are telling me right now for Jasmine is a MACD cross is crossing, which is bullish. You can see the white arrow, what happened last time. The RSI is not overbought yet, which is bullish. I would wait to sell till we get overbought. And if anyone is freaking out there wondering what the heck is going on, just look at the last 30 days. If you've been in crypto and if you've been following this channel, and you know most of the cryptos that I hold, or if you're a Patreon member, the last 30 days, you've made a ton of money. Your portfolio has actually grown in value if you've been in the right cryptos, especially ones like WIF, which we called in. We sold and we took profit and we moved that into other things. So congrats again if you're following this channel, if you're winning. But regardless, even if you watch these videos or if you have cryptos that I hold, your portfolio should be up over the last 30 days. I know mine is, so I know yours is. Now, I wanted to talk about Dogecoin also because, again, I feel very good about Dogecoin as I feel good about Jasmine. I hold both of them. Okay, and I also hold Bitcoin. I think it's important to hold a couple different coins. So these are the buy levels right here. You could see them right here, okay? The white lines. And basically these are Fibonacci levels. My worst case scenario would be down here. This is about 15 to 16 cents for Dogecoin. That'd be my worst case scenario. We could come back down there, but I don't think we will. I think we're going to get stopped out at one of the Fibonacci levels here. So I love to buy at Fibonacci levels because it's usually a turnaround spot. If you've been following me in my Dogecoin updates, before when it ran back over there, that was the 786 level from the floor to the top. We also took it from the 5 cent floor to the top of, I believe, 22 cents. And then it pulled back all the way to the 786 level. And that was the bottom. And we bought in heavy. And even before that, we bought in heavy at 9-10 cents back in the day. This was in October of 2024 before it ran up. So I've studied Dogecoin and I know that it starts to run a little faster and first before all the other cryptos. So you want to be watching this one very closely. Again, I'm heavily invested in Dogecoin right now. I'm feeling really good about it. This is not financial advice. It's all my own opinion. Look right here. Look at these buy levels. Is this mic still working? Look at these buy levels. And that's what I'm looking for next. Again, right now we're trading at that first white line. We might turn around from here. I'm feeling very good about crypto because of what I just shared with you about Bitcoin. One last thing I'll say is check out the inflows for the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. So much money is getting poured in right now into crypto. Like, it's just getting started. This is the last leg up. This is the time to lock in. I really do believe, I mean, it's a good idea to take profit on the way up. If you're not doing that, start doing that, because you'll sleep better at night knowing you have some cash, you have some profit from all these buys that you've been buying. Here is a taste of what people get access to that are part of the exclusive video content stock and crypto tier. Yes, it is $19.99 per month, and the prices will be going up on June 1st, 2025. But for all current members and active members, which means you, if you get in today, I will never raise the prices on you. This will be locked in forever. You could ride with me for the rest of your life if you want to. There's one spot left. Just imagine, guys, if you could learn something, if you're a part of my group, that would give you a trip like this one day. What if this could absolutely change your life? What if you could learn a skill set that would absolutely transform your family's life forever? Would it be worth this to you? You got to decide that. This is the taste of what people just got access to.
Right, with the RSI being lower. So you can see right here, for example, this is clearly higher high. This is a lower high, bearish. Right here, we're pumping, but there's no higher high yet. We're trading at 91 cents. So for this reason, I haven't sold any yet. If I'm looking to sell, I have a sell order at one. Actually, it was at 116, but I canceled it. I just think this is going to go much higher, at least to $1.30 to $1.35. So that's really what I'm watching for. This resistance right here.
As you can see, WIF ran exactly to $1.30. Then it started selling off. And that's just one of many that we've called. Join the links out down below. Looking forward to talking to you guys in the Discord.